On the 27th of August 2017, the Derwent Valley Light Railway Society celebrate 25 years since the first heritage trains ran at Murton Park. The highlight of the day being the unveiling of the fully restored pump cart.
We need Jonathan now.
What I say, it won't.
Oh right, yeah.
Alice. Yeah,
Alice,
but
yeah.
it won't look same because it's newer with all new stuff. It isn't same as the old.
Don't worry about that.
Found it, but
Look
it's
better
still.
than it ever did. Yeah.
The wheels will matter with
It's the same.
I'll stand at one corner, you stand at another corner.
I'd like to introduce you to our archivist. What's your name again, sir? Jonathan Stockwell. Jonathan has done a marvellous job on being an archivist on our railway. You'll see a publication of his book up in the station. It's a very interesting book. So I'll just let Jonathan just say a few words to our special guests who've come here today. Jonathan?
Thank you very much, Dave. For my sins, I've been put in at the deep end. So this few words are done fairly quickly. We're here today to celebrate 25 years of the first passenger train under preservation at Murton. This happened on the 26th of August 1992, yeah? And it was treated as the first open day, and they only ran trains on the 26th of August 1992. Fast track to Easter 93 saw trains run on Sundays and bank holiday Mondays, and because we're a greedy society, we're not only celebrating today for the first passenger train, but we're also going to have a small celebration at Easter next year to celebrate 25 years of proper running services. Dave's already welcomed our special guests, Arthur Richmond.
Yay!
I see you've got your fan club with you, Arthur. And Ken and Lavinia Nelson. Firstly, Arthur. Just a bit about Arthur. All good, I hasten to add. Arthur joined the DVLR in 1942 as a plate layer based at Skipwith. In 1944, he accepted his call-up papers and was posted to India, where I understand he worked on the permanent way over there. He certainly had a bobbish job. He returned to the DVLR in 1949, again working on the permanent way, and he left shortly afterwards to join the then new British Railways, again working on the permanent way, a job he kept until his retirement. On a number of occasions, Arthur has very kindly let me interview him, and in fact after the first interview we needed a second interview because I was too busy eating cake, and you can't do an interview when you're eating cake. Secondly, Ken and Lavinia. Ken's grandfather was porter in charge at Skipwith Station. Lavinia grew up for much of her life at Skipwith Station. Ken spent many happy school holidays at Skipwith Station, and the DVLR was to become his train set. After the only train of the day, Ken would lift the pump trolley onto the main line and trundle up and down on the line. He basically had full control of the track at Skipwith. The trolley was also used to transport family members between Blackwood Crossing and Skipwith, where members of the family would travel from either Leeds or Selby, get off the bus at Blackwood Crossing, where the pump trolley was there, and they'd trundle back up to the station. Ken and his mum have shared many happy memories with me on a number of occasions, and they've also let me delve into their wonderful photographic album. Many feature the Derwent Valley at Skipwith, and they were most supportive in my joint effort to produce the book Rails Along the Derwent. Copies are available in the station shop, and my share passes to the DVLR Shed Fund. There's also some storyboards in the station depicting the history of the railway, and you'll be glad to know that that's the end of my speech. Underneath here, I have absolutely no idea what it is, but I'm sure Ken Briggs, our member. Why did the reason why I said Ken Briggs is because Ken Briggs was a guy who knew at camera. Sorry, Alan, I do apologise.
I'll let you on. Hello, thanks everybody for coming. I'm not going to spend as long talking as Jonathan. All I will tell you is that Brian Slater, 47 years ago, found the remains of this pump cart in the hedge at the side of the original railway. And the wheelbarrow there shows you the wood that was left, because most of it was burnt away when the grass was burnt down. So what's under here is new wood. I think you can understand why. Most of the metalwork is original. And so, David, would you like to give me a hand?
Oh, I thought you'd forgotten about me.
Yeah, you can go around that side. Give me a hand.
Have you said enough about me?
Yes, I've said enough.
Well, I'm going to tell you some more about it. Because 3 years ago, I was approached by this gentleman, Brian, and he said to me, "I've got a pump trolley." He says, "Would you like it?" I thought, "Oh, great." So I went down to his house, and I said to him, "Where is it?" He said, "Oh, it's at the bottom of the garden." Well, I couldn't find it. It was like looking in that hedge. And when I pulled all the stuff about, there was this rotten-looking piece of machinery. So anyway, he said, "Well, it's yours if you want it." So it was stored here for some years, for about 3 years, and then Alan came along as a member last year, and he said, "I'd love to do that up." I said, "Would you really?" He says, "Yeah." He says, "Can you do it?" I said, "Yeah." So he did it, he built it in 3 months with the help of Craig. Where's Craig? Craig helped us with the machinery, the ironwork, cleaning it up and painting it. So it's been a little bit of a team effort, but basically Alan's done 95% of the work. So without any more hesitation, shall we take it off? Do you all want to see it?
Yeah.
All right.